The one-button interface on the Neato BotVac D7 connected robot is easy to use. Press the Start button once to start a house cleaning. Press the Start button again to pause your robot. Press one more time and it resumes its cleaning job. To cancel a cleaning, first press the Start button to pause the robot, then press and hold it again for 5 seconds. Now you can put your robot on its base until you're ready to start a new cleaning. Accidents happen. To spot clean an area, put your Neato robot so that it's facing the concentrated mess. Then press the Start button twice quickly, and your Neato robot will take care of it. To cancel a spot cleaning, pause the cleaning, then press and hold the Start button again for 5 seconds. You can also do all of this and more in the Neato app. Watch the app videos on the Neato website for some helpful tips.